Britney Spears and her father Jamie have reportedly settled their legal dispute. From 2008 to 2021, the pop music sensation was under a strict conservatorship due to the series of public meltdowns with her father. Since her conservatorship was terminated in 2021, Jamie, 71, and Britney, 42, have still butted heads. The dad-daughter duo was still in a fight regarding his legal fees and his management of her finances during the conservatorship. Jamie was seeking approval from the court for more than $2 million for hiring lawyers during the 13-year conservatorship, as well as his current lawyer's hefty bills. In the end, Britney was ordered to pay her father's legal bills of more than $2 million, according to TMZ. Sources told the news outlet that Britney is furious by the outcome after her lawyer, Matthew Rosengart, told her she has a good chance of winning the case. During his time as the toxic hitmaker's lawyer, Britney has reportedly paid him approximately $4 million. Brit's major win. In February 2021, a court ruling revealed that Jamie would not have sole control over Britney's finances. At the time, Britney petitioned the court that she wanted a financial institution to take the place of her father to handle her massive net worth and assets out of fear of her father. Judge Brenda Penny denied Britney's petition but did appoint Bessemer Trust as a co-conservator. Months later in August, Jamie stepped down as conservator of her estate, meaning that he can make no more decisions when it comes to her money. Judge Brenda Penny denied Britney's petition but did appoint Bessemer Trust as a co-conservator. Months later in August, Jamie stepped down as conservator of her estate, meaning that he can make no more decisions when it comes to her money. In court docs, Jamie's lawyers state there are, in fact, no actual grounds for suspending or removing Mr. Spears as the conservator of the estate, and it is highly debatable whether a change in conservator at this time would be in Ms. Spears' best interest. Nevertheless, even as Mr. Spears is the unremitting target of unjustified attacks, he does not believe that a public battle with his daughter over his continuing service as her conservator would be in her best interest. At the time, Jamie wanted to work with the court to find a new conservatorship. Regardless of his formal title, Mr. Spears will always be Ms. Spears' father. He will always love her unconditionally, and he will always look out for her best interest, the lawyer said. The end of a long battle. In September, Britney's case returned to a Los Angeles courtroom where Judge Penny ruled to rid Jamie of his daughter's conservatorship. However, it did not mean the end of the conservatorship altogether. In court, Judge Brenda Penny said, based on what I read in the filings, and I read everything, I do believe the suspension of Jamie Spears is in the best interest of Britney Spears. The current situation is unattainable. The court finds the toxic environment Jamie Spears has created needs to be removed today. Following the judge's history-making decision, a temporary conservator was put in Jamie's place for about a month. Since then, Britney has had more control of her estate.